Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tamara and today we got two lovely wigs to show you. Today's featured wigs are Estrella and CSILLA from the Destiny Wig collection. They are 100% premium realistic fiber. They are pixie cut wigs for the mature ladies. Or if you're young and just want to rock a short style, these are the wigs for you. Please share and subscribe for the latest drops of our new products. Now let's get into it. The first wig is Estrella. It's available in 9 different colors. And again, it is our pixie cut wig. So this wig is going to feature a long layered bang. This is in the color M658, which is going to be a light gray color. Right now, gray wigs are more popular amongst the mature women because you know they want to stay true to their age. And what a perfect wig for that. This wig is a full wig, so it does not come with lace, but it does have that gradual ombre effect. So you're gonna get that lighter color on the top and the darker at the back. It is very easy to apply. Again, it is a longer bang with multi-layers. So this is easy for you to style. It is heat safe up to 350 degrees, so you can actually add your curling iron to this if you would like. But again, it's very easy to maneuver. So just take my nails for example. As I move my fingers through, can you see those layers start to form? So all you need is a wide tooth comb and you can go ahead and style this in any way you would like. It looks very natural. As you can see, as our model's wearing on the hand tag, this is how it looks in our M6827, which is a light honey blonde highlighted wig. And it looks amazing. So get yours now. Moving on to CSILLA, this is a short pixie cut with a short bang, but it does have a lot of layers. And one thing I love about this wig is the layers. So let's open it up. This is in the color M6827, which is that blonde color that was featured on Estrella's hand tag. So as I open this wig, you can already see the curls. This is straight out the bag, but as you can look on our mannequin right here, I have a gray colored one. And as you can see, the layers are popping, like they are there. You don't have to do much. Again, just grab your comb and start combing. Make sure that it's a wide tooth comb and the layers will form. The cap on the inside is a full lace cap. Both of these wigs are gonna come with 3 combs, 2 on the outer edge and 1 on the inside. It does have a breathable mesh cap at the top, and at the back, it's basically just the tracks. This wig, again, is available in 9 different colors. It is premium synthetic fiber, so it is heat safe up to 350 degrees. And it is a short pixie cut with a tapered back. Basically, it has a lot of voluminous curls and it gives you a beautiful pattern at the top, similar to our mannequin right here that is wearing it in that gray color. So as I hold it down, you can see that nice flower-like layered pattern that's at the front. The back of the wig is layered throughout. So as you comb, you can style this in any shape that you want, any style that you want. The front does come with a short bang on the front of it, and you do have your long sideburns. If you did want to trim this hair up, you can also do that to fit your head, your hairstyle even more. And basically that is it for CSILLA. Make sure you guys go out and grab these 2 lovely new wigs at your local beauty supply store. Bye.